This is the summary created from the video OpenStack. The presenter provides an overview of OpenStack, an open-source cloud computing platform, and demonstrates its configuration and VM provisioning capabilities, highlighting its primary use for infrastructure as a service clouds, as well as its ability to be downloaded and installed on hardware for evaluation. OpenStack is described as a cloud operating system that manages compute storage and networking resources through a dashboard, enabling administrators to control the infrastructure and users to provision virtual machines via a web interface. It offers infrastructure as a service capabilities like on-demand VMs, networking, storage, and multi-tenancy support, providing a full-fledged cloud experience with administrative and physical control as an open-source solution. The origins of OpenStack are traced back to a collaboration between NASA and Rackspace around 2010, and its evolution is highlighted through regular releases with project names like Austin, Neutron, Pike, and Queens, solidifying its position as an open-source and popular cloud computing platform. The presenter delves into OpenStack architecture, detailing the bundled cloud services such as compute, networking, storage, identity, and telemetry, which are comprised of components like Horizon, Neutron, Cinder, Nova, Glance, Swift, cLimiter, and Keystone. These components provide interfaces and APIs to leverage cloud services for applications, with an overall architecture that includes a backbone, shared services, and user applications. The core services of OpenStack are explored, including Nova for managing the lifecycle of compute instances and spawning or decommissioning, virtual machines on demand, Neutron for providing networking as a service and defining networks, Swift for storing and retrieving unstructured data objects via REST API with fault-tolerant architecture, Cinder for persistent block storage to running instances, and Keystone for authentication, authorization, and cataloging endpoints for other services. The presenter outlines the OpenStack workflow, providing an overview of its components like Nova, Neutron, Cinder, and others, explaining the user and dashboard authentication process via the Keystone Identity Service, and detailing the provisioning workflow involving the Nova API, scheduler, and compute nodes. Additional services like Glance for image management and Cinder for block storage are also mentioned. The storage concepts within OpenStack are covered, including ephemeral storage for temporary use managed by Nova, block storage for persistent data attached to virtual machines managed by Cinder, and object storage for persistent files and images, accessible from anywhere managed by Swift. The roles of Keystone for authorization, Nova for provisioning VMs using block and ephemeral storage, Neutron for networking configuration, and Glance and Swift for handling images for VM rendering are highlighted. An announcement is made regarding an upcoming live demo on OpenStack installation at IIT Kharagpur, aiming to showcase the setup process and functionality of the open-source cloud computing platform. The key takeaways are summarized, emphasizing OpenStack's enabling of multi-tenancy and on-demand VM provisioning for infrastructure as a service clouds, its open-source nature allowing full control over physical cloud infrastructure, its modular services for compute, networking, storage, identity, and more, its provision of a web UI and APIs to manage cloud resource lifecycles, its persistent block storage and object storage options, and the installation and demo showcasing the OpenStack setup process. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.